Hi, I'm Carrie. I'm one of our teacher product developers here at Really Good Stuff. And today I'm here to tell you about our reading skills support kits. These kits have a variety of different skills. There's one skill targeted in each kit. So our range of kits offers print concepts, sight words, phonemic awareness, and word families. And each kit follows the same general pattern. So I'm going to show you the pattern for the kits using our phonemic awareness kit. Each kit has a one-page skills information sheet in both English and Spanish. It also features a dry erase book so that the skills the kids are working on, they can do with repeated practice over and over again. And these activities are durable, which means your teachers can use them year over year. This dry erase book also has a self-checking element, so kids can go off and work in groups or in centers in the classroom. These decoders allow children to check their answers at the bottom as they finish each activity. It also comes with a reference card, double-sided, which is also laminated for easy reference, and it keeps it nice, dry, and clean, ready at a moment's notice whenever the kids need it. We have different tools, games, and activities in the kits that are all hands-on and engaging, and again, get the kids working on those specific key skills in different ways. Here we feature a game. Here we have a silent E card game where kids can use the wands to change the vowel sound and play around with how that ending changes the sound of the word. We also feature our tap and blend long vowel cards. So kids get to tap, p, l, a, and there's a visual, again, self-checking element for the kids. This makes it easy for the kids to go off and work on their own, not necessarily needing an adult right over them. So it's perfect for centers. Or you can also have the kids check out these skill books to take home, and they can take that kit home in an easy carry handle bag that will get them from school to home. All of the durable activities in this kit will have your child repeating their practice over and over until they master the skill, and that aids in learning recovery, helping them to reach grade level targets.